Welcome to the future of data storage with DeNet. Are you looking to earn profits with decentralized storage on DeNet? Let's talk about how you can maximize your earnings with DedicatedCore's storage VPS hosting. Forex, if you are setting up your own storage node for DeNet, can be costly. A $1,500 upfront investment means waiting 1.5 years to see any profit. That's time and money you can't afford to lose. With DedicatedCore's storage VPS, you get 10 terabytes of high-performance storage for just $42 a month. That's only $504 per year. Pair it with DeNet, where 10 terabytes can earn you approximately $1,000 annually, and you're looking at a $496 profit from the very first year. No massive upfront costs, no waiting 1.5 years. With DedicatedCore, you get instant setup, scalable storage, and 24/7 expert support to keep your DeNet node running smoothly. It's the smarter, faster way to profit. Ready to start earning with DeNet and DedicatedCore Storage VPS? Visit DedicatedCore.com now and launch your 10 terabyte storage VPS to unlock profits from day one. DedicatedCore, your partner for affordable, high-performance VPS hosting.